what a day! What a lovely day!
We promise we'll never come back.
I'm sorry, sir.
There's one more thing. I want to know what other kids are in here.
Alright.
There was, I swear to God.
What other kids are in here? Come on, you know.
I don't know any other kids.
Listen to me, sir. Listen, I'm sorry. He doesn't live around here. I used to go to a different school when I moved up here.
You don't live around here.
He has nothing.
You're honest. You're being honest.
I swear to God, sir. Yes, sir. I live right across the field in a big farm. Right off of 22.
What's your last name? Be honest about
My
that.
name's Bogus, I swear to God, sir. I'm not trying to
What's your last name?
Bogus.
Bogus.
Bogus. We just...
Okay, I don't know anybody.
Sir, I apologize. I really don't mean to infringe upon any of your trespassing or anything. I don't want to get hurt.
Problem is, there's been people have done this to this before.
I
had a trail camera sitting out here in the field. And I got people with four-wheelers, pouring wheelies in front of me.
I swear to God, I don't know.
I got a kid coming from Virginia whose mother has cancer. We're trying to get him to kill a deer for her. Y'all just ruined it for him.
I apologize, sir. I didn't understand. I don't know what to say.
All we're doing is trying to help people out here. And you guys are in here messing it up for people who need help.
I apologize, sir. There's no explanation.
I'm giving you one pass. I catch you in here again, you won't leave.
Alright.
You won't. I don't care what happens to you.
I understand.
I'll take that bike and I'll smash it. What happens next is on you guys.
That's completely
Alright.
understandable.
Can you show us the way out of here, please?
You don't know the way out of here.
I don't think so. We got lost.
Yeah, who?
Is that it?
That's where it comes from. You spread the word.
No, it's been tipped over. It's probably leaked gas everywhere.
Yeah.
I don't even know if it's... Dude, the fucking dude ran into me.
He just crashed into you?
Yeah, he crashed. No, that was on purpose.
Really?
That was on purpose. Dude, I pinned accelerating. Dude, I almost like shit my pants. I was so scared. Dude, he didn't do any damage to my bike, doesn't look like.
Are you okay? Did he hit you at all?
It just kinda, it almost knocked the wind out of me, but it was alright. Dude, I saw his face. I'm like, dude, at first I saw the guy, like, he started going across the field, like, what do? Like, what the fuck? I'm like, Dad, come back.
I was like,
So I just turn and follow you, and I see this guy get out.
It's like when his four-wheelers parked, we had to make a U-turn.
Dude, the dude hopped on his four and he's like chasing me, like full throttle. Runs right into the back of me. And he's like, you fucked my four-wheel. I'm like, dude, you ran into
You
me.
almost killed my friend.
Dude, we were both so scared. Dude, I thought I was so scared when I fell.
My heart was pounding. I give up.
I thought they were gonna like take me away and do something. I don't know. They were hunters, weren't they?
Yeah, they were hunting.
That's what my dad said. Watch out for hunters. Yeah. Oh, that's going on YouTube. That's fucking going on YouTube.
Bring the madness.